Understanding Uncountable Nouns, a Basic Guide. Hello learners! Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of uncountable nouns. Understanding how to use these nouns can be a crucial step in mastering English grammar, and we're here to help. So, let's begin. In English grammar, uncountable nouns refer to things that we cannot count because they are often seen as wholes or mass. We typically cannot use a or in with these nouns, and they do not usually have a plural form. Examples include abstract concepts like love, knowledge, or information, and materials or substances like water, rice, or money. Identifying uncountable nouns can sometimes be tricky, but remember this: they often refer to things that cannot be counted or do not have a clear form or limit. For instance, you can't count water or sand. Also, they represent concepts and feelings that can't be counted, like happiness, beauty, and freedom. Using uncountable nouns correctly in sentences can make your English sound more natural. Remember, since these nouns are uncountable, they do not have a plural form, so we use them with singular verbs. For example, the water is cold, or the money is on the table. Even though uncountable nouns can't be counted, we often need to express quantity. To do this, we use quantifiers. These are words or phrases like some, a lot of, much, a bit of, a great deal of, or a large amount of. For example, you might say, I have a lot of work, or I need some information. And that wraps up our discussion on uncountable nouns. Remember, these are nouns that we cannot usually count, and they are often used with singular verbs and specific quantifiers. By understanding and using uncountable nouns correctly, you can greatly improve your English grammar. We hope this video was helpful, and as always, keep practicing and happy learning.